Want to make some extra money fast, but have no experience and no money to invest? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing 5 legit websites that actually pay you real money. And they pay quickly. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of each one, and if you want the super detailed, step-by-step guide for each site, I've got you covered. Just check out the pinned comment or the description below after you watch this. First up, we have Swagbucks. This is probably one of the easiest ways to start. You can earn money by doing simple things you already do online, like watching videos, answering surveys, and completing small tasks. It's perfect for beginners because it's so straightforward. When you're ready to cash out, they pay through PayPal or with gift cards to your favorite stores. It's a great way to make a little extra cash in your spare time. Next on the list is Fiverr, specifically for quick gigs. Don't think you need to be a top-level pro to make money here. You can offer small, fast delivery services that people need every day. Think about things like simple logo edits, removing the background from a photo, recording a short voiceover, or creating a quick social media post. These are tasks you can complete in under an hour, and you can easily charge anywhere from $10 to $50 per gig. It's all about offering a fast solution to a simple problem. The third website is a personal favorite, UserTesting. This site pays you to share your opinion. Seriously. You get paid to test websites and apps and give your honest feedback. Each test usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you'll earn $10 for each one you finish. All you need is a computer or phone and a microphone to speak your thoughts out loud as you navigate the site. They pay reliably through PayPal, so you get your money fast. It's fun, and you're helping companies improve their products. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about TaskRabbit. This one is great if you prefer to do something offline and in your local area. TaskRabbit connects you with people nearby who need help with quick jobs. This could be anything from helping someone move a couch, doing a bit of house cleaning, assembling furniture, or even making a delivery. The best part is that for many of these tasks, you can get paid the very same day you complete the work. It's a fantastic way to earn cash quickly when you need it. Last but not least, we have Upwork, specifically focusing on entry-level jobs. A lot of people think Upwork is just for long-term, high-skilled projects, but there are tons of simple, fast-paying jobs available. Look for gigs like data entry, simple graphic design edits, copy-paste tasks, or basic virtual assistant work. Many clients on Upwork are looking for someone to do a quick job and are happy to pay you as soon as it is completed. It's a great way to build your freelance profile while earning money right away. So there you have it, 5 awesome, beginner-friendly websites that pay real money, fast. All of these are legitimate ways to get started. And remember, if you want the full, detailed guide with step-by-step tutorials for each of these websites, I've put it all together for you in the pinned comment below. Go check it out. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, comment fast money down below, and subscribe for more videos on how to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.